Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 205E. It is 3 boxes of 2015 Certified Football Hobby. That being said, this is an eBay break. Basically, what you bid on was a business card. Hold on, I'm getting the gloves on. This is the business card you will get if you paid on time, which everybody did. Thank you so much. You will get all the cards that come out of these 3 boxes for your teams with your names next to them on the left-hand side of the screen. The teams in yellow are mine. I did try to sell them on eBay and a live auction in the room. So those teams are mine. Few simple rules. If somehow we pulled Panini points, that would suck. But they'd be random off to everybody in the break. And if we pull a multiplayer card, somebody owns a majority of the teams, they will get the card. If there's no majority owner, it would go to random. If a card comes out in question, first and foremost, I would use a checklist to determine where it goes. My second rule of thumb is, let's say it's in a Cowboys uniform, but on the bottom it says Seahawks, on the back it says Seahawks, or has a Seahawks logo, it would go to the Seahawks. But again, first and foremost, I'd use a checklist. And for this, I can find one. Good luck, and here we go. I think that's it. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and thank you. Like I said, after this is the unparalleled football break, and I do have teams that did not sell. Box one, good luck. And like I said, the hot box is still in play. If we don't get it tonight, it's in the last 3 boxes. Empty. Thank you guys for the fill, and seriously, good luck. Are we going to get another big vet auto? Another big RPA? And the hot box? Dan's asking for the hot box. All right. Oh, I don't know if I said this in the beginning or not, but if somehow we pulled Panini points, they'd be random off to everybody in the break. All right, good luck. Box one. Here we go. Give me a half second. Let me check one last thing. Sorry. Jordan K. Got it, got it, got it. Sorry, guys. The last couple payments for the unparalleled are coming in right now. Oh, this one's on the block too. Sent, done. All right, here we go. Sorry, I'm good. All right, box one. Good luck. Focus. All right. We have a red parallel rookie golden out of 99 for the Cardinals. Eric Dickerson Legends card. All these cards ship. So if you see it and it's for your team, it'll ship. For the Jags out of 999. Sorry. Ben rookie. And a Nick Foles Stars card. Kids Reporter. Aaron Rodgers. We have an Amari Cooper rookie. Gold team for the Raiders. And we have a patch out of 249, rookie of David Johnson for the Cardinals. Congrats to the Cardinals owner. That is a nice hit. Lucky me. Nope, didn't want that. Blank card. All right, Kids Reporter. Sorry, I just happened to be sitting on top. Upside down cards. Out of 999, right? No, 499. Calvin Johnson for the Lions. And a skills card, Julio Jones. And I hate when they're backwards and upside down and everything else. Kids Reporter. Wait, that's an important card. It's Tony Romo for the Cowboys. Out of 499, rookie Anthony for the Saints. And a Big Ben Stars card. I'm going to run into the hits tonight, not even know. Kids Reporter. Except when you know something's coming, like I do. I think. I don't know who it is. So, I'm cheating because I caught it. I'll leave it there. Caught one of them. Good luck. There he is. Russell Wilson again. Andrew Luck. And we have a red parallel out of 199. Deion Sanders for the Cowboys. That is Kevin W. And we have a rookie auto. Red parallel out of 75. Blake Bell for the Niners. That is Dartboard Man. Great, Stan. That's pretty cool. You're on the board, Dan. That's two red parallels. All right. Kids Reporter. Sorry. I hate the way these packs are tonight. Warren Moon. Out of 9.99 for the Titans, Emmitt Smith, Legends card. And because I know things and accidentally ran into them all, I kind of caught most of the hits. All right. Out of 9.99, rookie of Orchard for the Browns. Blank card. Brandon Marshall Stars card. There's the two Kids Reporters because I moved some cards. Good luck. Kids Reporter. Skittles, I'll come back to in a second. Our other hit goes this way. It is for the Bears out of 7.99. Kevin White and Jeremy Langford, dual jersey patches. That is K Watts. Grat, sir. What Steelers and Bears? It's the Bears. And Skittles is out of 4.99. The card on top there is a Steeler. You probably see the glow. Probably need some glasses like Romo here. All right, good luck. It is out of 9.99. Jesse James. There's the Kids Reporter. Too broke, you always cheat. That is a two-color patch RPA out of 7.99. Sammy Coates for the Steelers. And K Watts. Congrats, sir. You're on the board with the RPA. That is box one. Waffles, you still awake? Did you fall asleep? All right, box two. All right, I don't know if you heard me. Are you having turkey, waffles, or pancakes, or all of the above tomorrow? And Dan, are you eating pie now? Box two. Good luck. Hot box is still in play. Empty. See? Dan just finished. Walt, you don't know what you're having. KFCS. Chicken and waffles. See? Walt should get a patent on that stuff so they quit stealing his ideas. Is there any other yellow team in the league? I don't think so, right? Just the Steelers? Because that was pretty obvious. Too broke, you genius. Ah, good point. Packers. Dan is saying this will be the hot box. And Dan, I was about to say, I do not think this is the hot box because these packs are all super thin. Seem to be. Except for a couple, which is not normal. Yep, I don't think so, Dan. We're going to have one more shot at it after this. That could be the RPA. Could be. But what do I know? I'm not a genius. Like, yeah, football cards. We're not genius. See, if we were geniuses too broke, then we could tell you what a hot box was. I think it is 8 hits if I remember right, instead of 4. It's double the hits. They're like fire patch cards. You had one of Winston. I swear you got it from me too. Uh-oh, I see blue. Good luck. It is no. Wow. Gotta have one of these. That is out of 99 skills card, Johnny Manziel. For me and the Browns. That's like an antique. All right. Fowler Jr. out of 499. And this is possibly an auto then. Possibly. And I'm completely wrong. Fowler Jr. out of 499 and Jerome Bettis Legends card. Sorry, K Watts. Kids Reporter. Don't listen to me. I am not a genius. And it's showing. All right, we got this guy out of 499. Nope, got that wrong. Tyler Croft out of 999. Philip Rivers Stars card. Kids Reporter. Upside down cards like always. Out of 499, Trey Mason. Too broke. Did that answer your question? There's 8 hits in the box, if I remember right. Skills card, DeMarco Murray. Eagles need him back. Kids Reporter. Sorry, that slipped. I said I'd be nice tonight. I need to shut up. Out of 499, Nate Orchard. Andrew Luck and a blank card. Sorry, I didn't mean to grab the luck, but I got the luck. Kids Reporter. How you doing, Ruff? That's a cool name. All right, here we go. First hit. We have Harold out of 999. Kids Reporter. And how about a 2-color RPA red parallel, as always tonight, out of 75. Perryman for the Ravens. That is Michael. Congrats, Michael. When you see the video, and have a happy Thanksgiving if I don't see you in here. Kind of surprised you're not in here. But congrats, sir. I honestly thought that was the patch card. So I'm going to do this one now in the back. Unless this is the auto, too. I don't know. Kids Reporter, good luck. Out of 999, Jerry Rice, Immortals. And it goes this way. It is a jersey patch rookie of Chris Conley out of 799 for the Chiefs. Congrats to the Chiefs owner. That would be me. Really? I did try to sell them. Well, we got more stuff for the wheel. All right. Good luck, Cutler. We're in great hands with Cutler. All right, here we go. Red parallel. Everything is red. Red 19. I need to go to casino. Out of 199, Andrew Luck, red parallel for the Colts. And we have a rookie auto, red parallel. Yep, red. Don't play the wheel tonight because if you do, you're just grabbing the red number. 75 rookie auto, Josh Robinson for the Colts. That is Jerry. Congrats, sir. Okay, watch, you got the Lions. I thought you had the Colts. This is Jerry. That's why I was stumped for a minute. But that is a red parallel auto. If you're looking for something red, this is the place to be. Oh, how you doing, Ryan? Happy Thanksgiving, sir. Kids reporter. Gold team, Matt Forte. We have a Walter Payton Legends card. Kids reporter. Thank you, sir. I slipped up and made one stupid smart comment tonight to Go Eagles, which I'm sorry, Go Eagles. I made the comment. I said I'd be nice tonight. I need to be nice. That is a hit. I moved it to the back. Kids reporter. Upside down of Palmer. That's kind of irrelevant. Out of 999, Daniel Hunter rookie. Blank card. J.J. Watt. Stars. Kids reporter. We got two cards. Steve Smith Sr. and our hit. Tell me somebody bought this team. Oh, here we go. This is pretty sick. I like this one. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm reading. It's an eBay 101. Good luck. 49 of 49, three-color patch of John Elway. Behind it is Steve Smith Sr. out of 499 for the Ravens. Congrats to the Ravens owner. But congrats to K Watts. Focus. I'm pretty sure that is game worn, but I will read it in a minute, K Watts. That's pretty cool. Game worn. Nice card. Really. That's pretty cool. After this box is the unparalleled break, which I still have some teams unsold. So don't go anywhere if you guys still want to break. And after that, we can break more if you guys still want to break. Or if we keep hitting red, you might want to try the damn wheel. Good luck. Is this the hot box? If not, it'll be in the last three. Empty. So those paying attention at home, if this is not the hot box, it'll be in the last three. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. No cheating. That's just a guess. I guessed wrong last time, but that's just a guess. And I'm going to take one more guess right now that I think the hot box will be in the last three. I do not think we got it. Wow. It's going to make it to the end. I could be wrong, though. But these sure look like blank cards. All right, here we go. Blue parallel. Ryan Mallett out of 50 for the Texans. Des Bryant skills card. Kids reporter. Actually, I could rip on him. At least he signed the contract for a day. Perryman rookie. Jamal Charles stars card. Kids reporter. Out of 9.99, Jordan Phillips for the Dolphins. Kids reporter. And our hit goes this way. Good luck. It is a jersey patch. Jalen Strong, rookie for the Texans out of 9.99. 7.99. This card was out of 9.99. Texans is K Watts, if I remember right. Yep. Congrats, K Watts. So those keeping track at home, at this point, the hot box is going to make it to the end. Alex Smith, red parallel. Again, red. For the Chiefs out of 99. Gale Sayers, Legends card. Kids reporter. A rookie of Harold out of 4.99 for the Niners. Blank. Cam Newton stars card. Kids reporter. There is a rookie auto of McGee out of 150 for the Ravens and Michael. Congrats, Michael. You're stealing Dan's team. Terrence McGee, rookie auto out of 150, sir. Kids reporter. Out of 9.99, Smith, rookie. Calvin Johnson, skills card. I'll throw those out in a minute. It'd be cool to flip one of these over one of these days and it just be an auto. Kids reporter. Here comes the hit. That's why I'm saving the breeze. Good luck. Gurley and Mannion, dual patches out of 7.99, and Drew Brees out of 4.99 for the Saints. And Gurley and Mannion for the Rams and Vicky. Nice card. And I guess I guessed right, and the RPA is going to be at the end here. Good luck. Smith. I don't know why I'm reading all these names. Uh-oh. It's got a red jersey, but it is a purple parallel. Jamal Charles out of 25 for the Chiefs. Really? Nobody took the Chiefs? That's why it's red. and purple, like my toenails. Right, Ryan? All right, here we go. Out of 499, Gale Sayers. Tom Brady, gold team. Blank card. Romo, stars card. Wait a minute, that's an important card. It says stars, Romo. Kids Reporter. Good luck. Brett Favre out of 999 for the pack. Kids Reporter. And the final card of this break. And like I said, the hot box will make it to the end. And if you're looking for red, this is a red parallel 2-color patch. Stefan Diggs out of 299 RPA for the Vikings. There's Brett Favre. What is with all this red? That is Dartboard Man. Congrats, Stan. K Watts is in the giving mood. This was the team, wasn't it? That's awesome. I think he got one last week, though. K Watts did. He's got Diggs somewhere. All right. Quick recap, and we will move on. All right. RPA, 2-color patch of Stefan Diggs. Dual patch of Gurley and Mannion. A McGee rookie auto out of 150. Jersey patch, Jalen Strong out of 799. eBay 101, 3-color patch, game used, 49 of 49 Elway. Josh Robinson rookie auto. That is also a red parallel. Chris Conley out of 799. That is a red jersey patch. This is a red parallel 2-color RPA Brashard Perryman. Fortunately, there's nothing red about this. Out of 299, Sammy Colts RPA 2-color patch. Dual jersey patch out of 799. White and Langford for the Bears. Bell rookie auto red parallel out of 75. And a red jersey patch, a red parallel out of 249, David Johnson. And that concludes, I know he does. That concludes break number 205E. Let me stop the recording. I'll be right back with the final or the next break or whatever the hell we're doing.